Steps to install Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC. Kindly attach the pendrive, which is included with the accessories. Turn on the system and continue. Press F12 and continue until a pop-up comes. Select UEFI, SanDisk, Partition 2, SanDisk. Select language and other options and click on Next. Click on Install Now. Please enter the product key to continue. If you prefer, you may skip this step by selecting I don't have a product key, and then click Next. Please review the license terms. Tick I accept the license terms, and then click Next to continue. Select Right Finger Custom. Install Windows Only, Advanced. In the next screen you will see the Select the Disk or Partition option. First, delete below partitions. Drive 0 Partition 1, Recovery. Drive 0 Partition 2, Drive 0 Partition 3, Drive 0 Partition 4 inches. Allocate space, enter the partition size, and then click Next to proceed. Windows is installing. Select language. When prompted, want to add a second keyboard layout. Right pointing arrow click Skip. Let's connect you to a network. Right pointing arrow click Skip. On the next screen, connect now to save time later. Right pointing arrow click Skip. Again on Let's connect you to a network. Right pointing arrow click Skip. When asked to create an ID and password, admin right pointing arrow click Next. Do not set a password at this stage. On the next screen, choose privacy settings for your device. Right pointing arrow click Accept. Now, the operating system has been installed successfully. To verify, go to My Computer. Right pointing arrow right click Right pointing arrow Properties. Confirm the Windows edition shows Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC. Thank you.